Greetings, this is Jumbo. In this tutorial, we will be creating JavaScript template strings, also called template literals or literal template. So they are strings, as that's right in the name. The difference between this and a regular string is that this one is enclosed using backticks. So this will allow you to actually put both double quoted strings and single quoted strings inside a string. Obviously makes it more readable, and also allows you to embed variables. So the variable will be converted into the string format. So this also allows basically multi-line strings, and also you can use this as a her doc. So what is a her doc or here doc? It's in programming terms, it means it's a file literal or input stream literal that is treated as a separate file. So this is why you're able to treat it. For example, you can input something immediately. In this, for JavaScript purposes, you can do it. Obviously, you can grab something and immediately put everything into a string if it's obviously a string or text. So for the part where you do the variables, that's a string interpolation. And what that means is you automatically replacing expressions with real values. So we'll do an example of this today. And if you want to know what an unexpanded literal means, that just means in JavaScript terms, that's a single quote and the other one is a double quote. So the only difference between that besides the quotes is that with the expanded literal, you can, for example, you can have escape characters, for example, like a new line character, tab, space. That's really good, especially when you're doing regular expressions or some things you need to do that is not just a pure string. If you're just using a pure string or simple text like one line, yeah, then just use an expanded one, which is a single quotes. Oh, and I also explained here, I show you examples so you can see the single quotes here, double quotes, and this is the backticks. So you can get the full source code for this tutorial here. You can expand it. This is the screenshot. I'm using the jumboshop.com Learning JavaScript course, which obviously comes with an IDE and JavaScript is already built in. All you need is a web browser. So this makes it easy just to follow along with this tutorial. And this is the output. This is the video. I'm going to change this video so to this is the wrong video. I'll change this video after I create this tutorial. Next, JavaScript is open source. It follows the MScript standard, license and W3 software license, and allows commercial use, modification, distribution, and allows making it proprietary. So before we actually begin the coding part of the tutorial, I want to remind you that you can subscribe so that you can get more frequent content. I want to, for example, in the future, very soon, is to create, for example, maybe like a podcast or a live event so you guys can ask questions in real time. But I need some feedback. Or if you have requests, let me know. So let's hop over to jumboshop.com. I'm going to be using I'm going to be using the strings, which is in chapter 2 about the data types. So let's begin. Okay, so on line 2, I'll create a variable called name. You can use single quotes or double quotes, even the literal template, it doesn't matter. For the backtick, hello world. And we'll output that. Now to prove to you that quotes inside string do work, I will create one. I will say the man said hello world backtick, and we'll print that out. We can also do a multi-line, aka hair doc. So it's very simple. You just this on one line is a multi-line string. I'll put that. Finally, we can do variable substitution. The man, this is where I'm going to use that variable, squiggly bracket, closing squiggly bracket, said hello world. We just output this. So as you can see, the first one, hello world, here with the backticks, it's this one. And the second one, the man said hello world, that's the double quotes. You can see double quotes came out fine here. And this is the multi-line string. This is a multi-line string. And it's also a hair doc. This is an easy way in JavaScript to have multi-line strings instead of using double quotes and escaping them with the /n. That's a new line character. And the variable substitution, I said the man named something here, said hello world. And as you can see here, then it replaced this, the variable with the actual value, which is John. Let's head over to the article. It's on jumbo.com/javascript-template-string. And so I do have a Learning JavaScript course. So on jumboshop.com, you can click the link here. The links are also in the description and also at the end of this article. All you need is a web browser you've just seen. It comes with JavaScript. It comes with an IDE. And that's all you need. There's no subscriptions. It's just a one-time fee. I also have books for you available at Amazon. You can get the paperback. That's a physical copy. Or if you want the ebook version, it's also there on Amazon. You can just click the links. They're also in the description. And finally, as is promised, at the in our references, the Learning JavaScript course on jumboshop.com, Learning JavaScript paperback on Amazon, Learning JavaScript ebook on Amazon. And if you want one-on-one tutorials, or maybe you need help with applications, whether they're for the web, mobile, desktop, could be games. It doesn't have to be just a regular app. It can be simple, complicated. It can be a database or just a flat database. It can be remote, payment processing, advertisements, promotions. Yeah, visit ojumboservices.com for that. Thank you.